So shopping at the Dollar Tree today for inspiration to check out all the different seasonal decor as well. I really love the felt wall decor pieces. New this year are these red, green, and brown mushrooms, as well as these gold leaf tea light holders. They're really pretty. I don't recall seeing these packages of mini straw hats for scarecrows last year, but what really caught my eye were these really stark red apples. The shade is really pretty, and when I pick it up, it's got some weight to it. These ribbons would make a great DIY pumpkin wreath as well. Make sure to check the other sections because I found this one straggling orange one in the Christmas aisle. But before we really dive into Christmas, let's check out the Halloween stuff. Last year I did a DIY with this 8-pack of wooden witch hat ornaments. I don't recall seeing these tinsel stems last year, but I absolutely love them. Last year I also must have passed up this really pretty orange, purple, and green Halloween ribbon. And of course in the Christmas aisle I must pick up a candy cane wreath form. I'm also going to pick up a few of these ribbon wreaths. And I'm also going to go ahead and pick up 2 of these bike wreath forms. Let me know in the comments below if you have an idea what I might be doing with these. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.